from LP Savani Riverside School, Krupali Home. Our today's topic is plastic as a material of choice. Today, if we think of storing a food item, water, milk, pickles, dry foods, etc., plastic containers seems most convenient. This is because of their lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling. These all are benefits of these videos. Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecrafts too. This list is endless if you start counting articles like sleepers, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. It means plastic is rules over the world because of all these benefits. Plastic is non-reactive. It is very less reactive. You can say it is non-reactive substance. You know that metals like iron gets rusted when left exposed to moisture and air, but plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corrode easily. That is why they are used to store various kind of materials including many chemicals. Plastic is light, strong and durable. It means light in the weight, strong with its strong strength and durable. It means we can use it very long period of time because of its non-reactivity. Talk to your parents and grandparents about the types of buckets that we are used in the past. What's the material of buckets or mugs you are using today? In the earlier stages, they were used to take a use of wooden materials and baskets in their daily life, but nowadays we are preferable with the plastics. What are the advantages of using a plastic container? We already seen it in the earlier paragraph. Since plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than the metals. It is one more extra benefit. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Make a list of different kind of plastic containers that you use in your daily life, from starting of your water bag to the lunch box, that all are of the plastic materials. Plastic are poor conductors. It is not allow the electricity or heat to transfer through it easily. That's why they are poor conductor. You have learned about that plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdriver are made of the plastic so that we are not get hurt. As mentioned above, handles of frying pans are also made of the plastics. It is the extra information for you and read it very carefully. Plastics and the environment. When we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in the plastic or packed in polythene bags. That's one reason why plastic waste keeps getting accumulated in our homes, because everywhere around us that is the wide use of the plastics. And if you are not properly throw it in the dustbin, then it will be get accumulated around our homes. Ultimately, plastic finds its way to the garbage. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. And why? Because it is non-biodegradable material. That's why. A material which gets decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. It is the define of the biodegradable material. Whatever the material which is decomposed through the natural process, as such as action by bacteria. Suppose the waste of tree will be get decomposed after a few period of weeks or month. That's why tree are biodegradable. But as like plastic, such a material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is termed non-biodegradable. Look at the table number 3.3. Types of wastage: pills, vegetable, fruit and paper, cloth, wood, woolen clothes, tin, aluminium and other metal case. And here last one is the plastic bag. And here is given that approximate time to getting decomposed, approximate time to take to degenerate, 1 to 2 weeks, 30. It means this is the time given as per these numbers of the articles. If we are Talking about plastic, then in the last column there is the plastic, and plastic will take several years to get decomposed. It means the longest period of time compared to all these components. And nature of material, these all are biodegradable, while plastic and second last column, tin, aluminum and other metal cans will also gets non-biodegradable. Since plastics take several years to decompose, it's not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. It is pollutant for the environment. Besides, the burning process in synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burnt easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. And how can this problem be solved? We have to learn about the air pollution. As you learned already in the class number 7, air is polluted because of the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and some gases from industries also, and vehicles also main source of the air pollution. Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Make the use of bags and made up of cotton and jute when you go for shopping. And it's very known that plastic bags is prohibited nowadays by our government. The biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately and disposed of separately. You have to collect both type of waste in the different buckets or different container. Practice this in your home. Start from today. Can you suggest some other ways in which you can contribute towards reducing the use of plastic materials? Yes, you can do it by replacing plastic with the metal or cloth. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. Make a list of items that can be recycled. Thermoplastics are mostly recycled. However, during recycling, certain coloring agents are added. Recycling means whatever the plastic you are using at one time and then after you throw it, then they will do the recycling of that plastic. Means whatever the plastic containers used by you people will be get new different shapes for again use it, and it may possible they were used to adding coloring agents. This limits is uses especially for storage of food. As responsible citizens, remember the 5R principle. 5R means reduce, getting level of waste very low. Reuse the things. Recycle, to form new things from the waste. Recover, to get revive, and refuse. Develop habits which are environment friendly. Here our chapter is get finished.